Hey everyone, welcome back to Sci Recipes. Tonight, we're cooking up 3 easy and delicious vegetarian dinner recipes that will leave your taste buds dancing. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to eat more plant-based meals, these recipes are perfect for you. Let's get cooking. Recipe 1, Veggie Stir-Fry. Our first recipe is a quick and tasty veggie stir-fry. Start by chopping your favorite vegetables. Today, I'm using bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, and snap peas. Stir-fry the veggies in a hot pan with a bit of oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender crisp. Add in a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil for flavor. Serve it over rice or noodles, and voila! A simple and satisfying dinner ready in under 15 minutes. Recipe 2, Sweet Potato and Black Bean Tacos. Next up, we're making sweet potato and black bean tacos. Roast cubed sweet potatoes with olive oil, cumin, and chili powder for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Warm your tortillas and add a layer of black beans. Top with the roasted sweet potatoes, avocado, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. These tacos are packed with flavor, and they're so easy to make. Recipe 3, Creamy Spinach and Mushroom Pasta. Last but not least, we've got a creamy spinach and mushroom pasta. Start by sautéing sliced mushrooms and garlic in a bit of olive oil until tender. Add spinach and cook until it wilts down. Then, stir in some cream, parmesan, and cooked pasta of your choice. Mix it all together and season with salt and pepper. This creamy, comforting pasta is the ultimate dinner for any night of the week. And there you have it. 3 amazing vegetarian dinner recipes that are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.